No matter what you do, you are in finance. My name is John Cousins, and I've just spent the last 30 years of my life researching, writing, and teaching about the art and science of corporate finance. After taking 2 companies public as a CFO, it is clear to me that most MBA programs totally miss the point. It's not about finding customers for your products. It's about finding products for your customers. Your job is to find the numbers that matter to make the decisions that matter. It's not good enough just to use numbers to react anymore. It's much more magical than that. It's about using numbers to initiate. I'm going to show you how to do that. Whether you're a founder trying to get your startup funded, whether you're an employee trying to decipher financial statements, whether you're a parent trying to make better financial decisions, whether you're a student trying to navigate your way to financial freedom, I'm going to teach you how to think like a CFO. People are always coming up with new theories about finance, but the main rule is every financial decision should be driven by what you value. In this course, you're going to get access to over 17 hours of HD video content, step-by-step tutorials, interactive exercises, quizzes, and much, much more. This complete course is created based on the same curriculum as my 2-year MBA course. That means you can look forward to the same professional level content covering every aspect of an MBA degree from corporate finance to venture capital. Now, this course assumes absolutely no prior accounting or financial knowledge. So even if you're a complete beginner, I'll be there with you every step of the way to guide you on this adventure. We'll start at business fundamentals and go all the way to intermediate and more advanced concepts. If you're an advanced student, take a look at the curriculum and start at the level that suits you best. So instead of spending $40,000 on an in-person MBA course with me and having to take time off of work, you're going to get access to the exact same curriculum with years of design and testing behind it. But don't just take my word for it. Take a look at what a few of more than 16,000 of my past students had to say and see what you can do by mastering corporate finance. If you think about entrepreneurship, leadership, and finance in a fresh way, you can be extraordinarily effective and add immense value to the world, high-growth brands, and ultimately, yourself. Dream big, start small, but most important of all, start where you are.